how to use Snapchat's advanced feature. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Snapchat's advanced feature. Snapchat's advanced feature include AI tools, creative editing tricks, and customizing privacy control to help you create more unique content. Now here, when you open up your Snapchat application and log into your account, this is where it's going to take you. So then an AI snap is a tool that can transfer your snap or create entirely new image using artificial intelligence itself as well. And to transfer the existing snap, you just need to take a photo such as this, and then you need to go ahead and tap on the toolbar, select a preset or type of prompt, and then go ahead and click on the done button. Once you actually do it so, you could then go ahead and adjust it accordingly and use the AI tool feature. After which you could also do it from the camera itself. So all you need to do is go to the AI button from the toolbar and select the type of prompt, and you could go to the done section. And next, this feature lets you record up to 60 seconds of video broken down into 10 seconds clip or take multiple photos at once. Now this is useful for capturing a sequence without stopping and starting the record as well. So you just need to tap on the downward facing arrow in the camera bar. Here it is, save button, and then you could go and select a multiple snap icon, that is 2 square with a plug sign in, and begin the record. So this way you'll be able to do it so, or this is how you'll be able to use it. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.